Tell Boris what happened.
Well, my father does not like the idea of me wearing a wig, so he ran it over with his pickup truck.
I pity a man who can't appreciate the true power a hand-styled wig can bring. Boris will fix you up. No problem. But not on an empty stomach. Dolores, chicken her.
Coming, my love?
Thank you.
Now, what's in that spray?
Oh, you'd never guess. Old-fashioned laundry detergent. Not only cleans, but adds body and luster. Are you interested in wig styling too? What did you say your name was?
Patrick Bellardi. Oh, no, not at all. I'm interested in making money. And judging from those lines out there,
He's good. He's a master.
I'd say there's a lot of money in wigs.
And chicken?
Would you consider franchising?
Oh, heavens no. We're a mom-and-pop outfit, right, Dolores?
Whatever you say, Daddy.
I'd say Carla here is ready to shine.
Thanks, Boris.
You know, this is an okay setup, but let me break this down for you. I can guarantee you profit and longevity. Are you sure you wouldn't consider franchising?
Money comes and goes. We're here to make the world a less ugly place.
That's right. And we'll be doing this the rest of our lives.
Dolores!
This is merely a disguise. I'm an undercover agent for the Board of Health. I'm shutting you down for violation of Code 2714 Z. Hair on a leg.
We can't afford that.
You have 1 week. Unless
what?
you want to be smart, sell this dilapidated dump. I understand Big Wigs Inc. franchise is looking to expand north of the 90.
Isn't it enough that in every other major market except the Buffalo?
This man is not going to stop putting up franchises until Big Wigs is the Starbucks of fake hair.
I don't see how come they're so successful. They just copy Boris's styles on cheap, crappy wigs. No life, no heart, no detergent.
At a fraction of the cost.
And no chicken.
And stay out before I make this a permanent part of your body. Where are we going to get the money to remodel?
Big Wigs Inc. presents the Tri-State Wigmasters Competition. Grand prize, 10 grand. Do you have what it takes to beat reigning champ Patrick Bellardi? Hello, America. Welcome to the Tri-State Wigmasters Competition. I want to take a moment to give a big woot-woot to Big Wigs Inc. And remember, be on the lookout for Big Wigs brand hot sauce coming soon to a Big Wigs near you.
Stand back, wide load of wigs coming through.
I thought I told you to get rid of them.
I swear, I shut him down.
Apparently, you can't even shut them up.
Wow, look at those magnificent wig sculptures. Current Wigmaster champ Patrick Bellardi sure is going to have some major competition this year.
You might as well give us the 10 grand right now.
For me,
Welcome to the 23rd Annual Tri-State Wigmasters Competition, brought to you live on the World Wide Web, thanks to our sponsor, Big Wigs, Inc. The first event is our Stylist Competition. Each contestant will be asked to design an original style based on an original classic Big Wigs hair piece.
Shut up!
I didn't do anything. Honest, there's something wrong with the chair.
Maybe you should wait in the car.
What? We've always worked as a team.
It's too risky. I can't ruin another wig.
Fine. Have it your way.
I seen better styling on my cats for ball. Yes.
This next event is for color. Contestants will be judged on hue, tone, and creative use of color.
Here we go, Marilyn.
I'm shutting you down for violation of code 2714, Z. Hair on a leg.
You sure you wouldn't consider franchising?
What? We've always worked as a team.
I hate all of you. Especially you, Patrick.
And now for the final event, the catwalk. You have the right to remain spectacular. Anything your model says or does can be used against you in the judges' scores. If you cannot afford a model, one will be provided for you free of charge.
This wig was designed for my wife's head. It's as full as her heart.
First up, we have Billy the Lid's model Hank in a bad to the bone style outfit. Billy uses organic mixed dye and hair from deceased prisoners.
I hope you have enough crap wigs to burn when you're living on the
We
street.
have Mr. Bigwig himself, Patrick Velarde's model Joyce, wearing a Halloween-themed piece. Patrick uses synthetic fibers made from polymer, and he styles with aid from technology. Last but not least, Boris Polishek's model Sharon. Oh, we have a change in models. Boris's wife, Dolores, wearing an outfit entitled Funky Funeral. Boris believes in the power of a hand-styled wig. winner is Boris Pulisic.
All right, you pass.
Throw the chicken to my wig.
child in